Good morning, class. Welcome to today's biology class. My name is Mr. Daniel. I'll be taking SS2 biology this morning. Now, let's start. Today's topic is a freshwater habitat. If you can still remember, we've been talking about habitat, and I said habitat is a place where organisms live. Now, I will talk about aquatic. We've been talking about aquatic habitat. We've talked about the marine habitat. We've talked about the extramarine habitat. Now, today we are talking about freshwater habitat. Now, let's look at the definition. Freshwater habitat is a body of water formed mainly from inland water and contain very low level of salinity. Contain very low of a level of salinity. If you can still remember, when I gave you the definition of marine habitat, this is an habitat that contains high level of salinity, but this one low level or no salt at all. Now let's look at the example of freshwater habitat. We have the river, we have the ponds, we have the streams, we have the lakes, and so on like that. Now let's look at the types of freshwater habitat. Types of freshwater habitat. We have two major types. The first one there is a lactic freshwater habitat. The second one is a lengthy freshwater habitat. Lactic freshwater habitat include all the running water which can flow continuously in a specific direction. That is, the lactic freshwater habitat, these are the water that is running, that is the one that is flowing. Now, but the lactic water habitat, freshwater habitat, is the one that is stagnant. That one is stagnant, they are not moving. The example is the lake, the ponds, swamps and dams. All those ones are lentic freshwater habitat. They don't move. Now let's look at the characteristics of freshwater habitat. Characteristics of freshwater habitat. The first one we have there is a very low salinity. Very low salinity. That is, in freshwater habitat, they have low salinity or no salinity at all, no salt at all. Now, they are on the highest level, the highest of salt, there is a 0.5 degree compared to that of a sea, which is a 3.5 degree C, percentage, sorry, it's not degree, it's percentage. Now, the second characteristic there is small in size. They are small inside. They are not like the ocean, which cover like 75% of the earth. They are very small. Their size is small. They are not as big as the marine. Now let's look at the third one, which is variation in temperature. Variation in temperature. The temperature there is varies due to the season or the depth of the water. Because sometimes in cold season, the water will be cold. But in when the temperature is high, the temperature now will not as cold as during the rainy season. Now let's look at the third one and the fourth one, which is the shallowness of water. They are not as deep as the marine. They are not as deep as the marine. Because they are shallow, sunlight can easily penetrate the water to the bottom of the water. So because of their shallowness, the temperature levels sometimes change. Because sunshine will be able to enter, be able to penetrate into it, or sunlight. Now let's look at the fifth one, which is a high concentration of oxygen. High concentration of oxygen. Oxygen is usually available in all parts of the fresh water, because the reason is that they are not as deep as that of marine. That is why oxygen is always present there. So without wasting our time, let's move to the next, the major zones of lentic freshwater. The major zone. Let's look at the zones now, according to the types of the water. Now we have the major zone. In this lentic water, fresh water, we have two major zones. We have two major zones. The first one is what we call littoral zone. Littoral zone is a shallow part of fresh water. It contains several plants and animals. The littoral zone has rooted vegetation at its base. It has the highest primary production because sunlight can easily penetrate the zone, so it allows photosynthetic activity. So because this one is a shallow part of it, so now it allows the sunlight is able to enter. When the sunlight is able to enter, so it encourages photosynthesis. That is why you see so many plants growing there. Now let's look at the second one, which is benthic zone. Benthic zone. The benthic zone is the deepest part of the lentic freshwater habitat. The benthic zone does not have rooted vegetation like littoral zone, though flowering plants may occur at its surface. No, it's not as deep. This one is deeper than the littoral zone. So the vegetation there is not like that of littoral zone. And some animals are still there. You can still see some animals like tilapia fish. We have the mudfish. We have catfish, and also plants. We have the criminal lily. We have grasses and so on like that. They are still living there. Now let's look at the zones. The zone in Lotic freshwater. The zone in Lotic freshwater. This place we have two zones. We have two zones, which is the pool zone. The pool zone, this zone is the water is relatively slow and calm. The water there is slow and calm. So, but in the second one, which is the rapid zone, the water there is very fast, very fast. The Lotic freshwater habitat is not stratified as lentic freshwater zone. So organisms are no more, they are no more there like that of lentic. So now let me give you the assignment for today. Look at it. The assignment number 1 is define freshwater habitat. Number 2, explain the types of freshwater habitats. Number 3, habitats, and give 2 examples of each type. Then number 3, state 5 characteristics of freshwater habitat. Thank you. God bless you.